I think it's a go for a flight. This is Reinhold Matay, and today, Mobile Matays is going mobile in a plane. I'm Reinhold Maytag, along with my good friend David Hall, Captain David Hall. We're going mobile in the airplane. Schlüssel, bitte. Avionics master switch is on. All right, we're at the land. We're gonna go get some lunch. Got the airplane all tied down. Dave's buttoning it up there. Hardest part about the landing was keeping Dave in the plane. He kept wanting to jump out, going, "Oh my God, I gotta shoot." All right, to the restaurant. I haven't been to this one. I went to the other one.
Yeah, no, this is fun. They're both good.
See. calculate the weight. Got it down. Here we go with the vibration again. I have no idea what that vibration is. Dave with his hot sauce all over his mahi-mahi. Good stuff. I got me a turkey club. And I should have, if I was smart, instead of French fries, should have got broccoli. I'm not smart. Yeah, no beer for me tonight. Wait, I don't drink beer. I can have fries. There you go. And if not, maybe I just need to find a quarter share of a 182 or something. I don't. Give me the turkey. You know what? If Mark keeps the Cherokee 6, I'll just be a frequent renter of it.
That's a good.
It's raining people, Dave. Now that's how it's done. Are there any more people falling from the sky? Oh yeah, up there. Yeah. Up there, 2 more. Come fly with us. I don't know if I want to fly with these.
They probably allow you just to whip that in your logbook. 1,000 hours into this thing, just sitting on the ramp. The time building that car.
This is our taxiing trailer.
Yeah, exactly. Taxiing.
Let's steal this up. Apparently, airplanes use gas. We're down to 385 for avgas. That's what we're using. We're not burning Jet A, not for a piston airplane. But it's a Cessna 182. It's a beautiful airplane. Love flying it. We're going to head on back to executive now and put this thing up. If you look off in the distance there, you can see we have some weather moving in. So it's going to cut our flying day short. But Mobile Matays is on the move again. And now we call it a day. For myself and my good buddy Dave Hall, Captain Dave and I are saying goodbye, and we'll see you next time we decide to go mobile Matays again. Have a good one, guys. That was nicely done. You've had some training. Do they have a push cart simulator you have to go to get the 767s in and out of? Is it the co-pilot that's got to back it out of the...
Now we got people for that.
There's Dave doing all the paperwork. There's a lot of paperwork involved with being an airline captain. Anyhow, the storms are moving in and our day is ending, so we'll say goodbye. Please join us again next time, and remember to like and subscribe, because we're just getting started and we need your help. For Mobile Matays, I'm Ryan Matay, mobile in the airplane. See you next time.